Dear students, in this class we have to discuss the next thread profile. Its name is Acme thread. Before going to in detail, we have to first understand what is the shape of Acme thread and what is the use of Acme thread compared to square thread. Here I am showing a picture of square thread. We have already learned what is the speciality of square threads. Here, the crest and root are flat in shape and angle is 90 degree. But in the case of Acme thread, crest and root are also flat in shape. And the angle, the included angle of Acme thread is 29 degree. From this comparison, we can say that Acme thread is a modified form of square thread. Modified form of square thread. Where in the case of square thread, mainly used for load lifting application. But Acme thread is mainly used for power transmission application. Power transmission. Especially in some machines, these type of threads are used for transmitting the power. In the case of a lathe machine, where its lead screw is made with this type of threads, that is, its angle is 29 degree and having an advantage. We have to easy engagement and disengagement while when it in motion. By the help of this thread, we can easily engage or disengage with a nut or bolt. That is the speciality of Acme thread. And it is a modified form of square thread. These are the features of square thread. Modified form of square thread, angle is 29 degree, crest and root are flat surface, used for power transmission application. Example, lathe lead screw. And one of the main specialties is easy engagement and disengagement. Here, this figure shows the parameter associated with this Acme thread. Its angle is 29 degree, crest are flat, root also flat. This is the depth marked by H3 and the top and bottom flat width is marked with letter E. This is major diameter. D is major diameter. This is smaller diameter. And value of H3 is given. That is H3 is 0.5 P plus 0.25. What is P? P is pitch. This is the distance of pitch marked here. That means H3 is the 0.5 pitch plus 0.25. If pitch is equal to 100, what is its H3? Therefore, 100 into 0.5 into 100 plus 0.25. That is 50.25 millimeter. Same way we can find out E, upper E and lower E. What is E value? E value is 0.3707 into pitch. That is 0.3707 into 100. That means 37.07. These are the parameter when we are drawing its thread profile. Is it clear? Now next, how to draw the Acme thread profile using this parameter. Parameter is only one parameter is known, that is pitch is given, that is 100 mm. Now I am marking 4 more vertical lines here, vertical center line, keeping 100 mm distance by using your scale or mini drafter. This distance is 100 mm. Now, what is the value of H3. What is the value of depth? We can use a formula. That formula is 0.37, not 0.037, 0.5 pitch plus 0.25. That is the formula to find out the H3. Now, what is E? The value of E using this formula 0.3707 into pitch. If the pitch is 100, so its value is 100 into 0.5, that is 50. 50 plus 0.25, 50.25 millimeter. And what is the value of E? 100 into 0.3707, that means 37.07. It should be rounded 37 or 38. Now, first we have to draw the vertical line keeping 100 mm distance. Now we again draw another. Now we have to draw another 3 more vertical center line keeping this distance, that is P by 2. Our P is 100 and then P by 2 is 50 mm. Now we have to mark that P by 2 distance here. This distance is 50 mm and this is also 50 mm. Total 100 mm. Now we again mark 50. Now we again mark 50. Now we have to draw 3 more vertical lines. Now next step is draw a parallel horizontal line connecting at the top of all these vertical center line. By connecting all the edge of these vertical lines, we have to draw a parallel line. From that, we have to draw another parallel line keeping this distance. That means our height is or depth is H3. That value is 50 mm. Now we have to draw another horizontal line marked here. Now next step is draw the crest width and flat width. Alternatively, crest width and flat width are marked by using this value E by 2. Using this value E by 2. We know that what is the E value? E value is 38. Then E by 2 is 38 by 2. That is 19 mm. Now we have to offset that distance at here. Now this is offset distance. This is 39, total 39. Now we have to alternatively draw it here. Similarly, at here. We have to draw all the crest and root are marked at the top and bottom horizontal line. Now we have to draw connect that 2 point using an inclined line. Similarly, we can draw here. Now we have to complete our thread profile. Now draw a freehand line here. Now we have to complete our Acme thread profile using our required parameter. The root distance, flat distance is marked here, that is denoted by the letter E. Same way, the crest distance also denoted by the letter E. Included angle is 29 degree and depth of thread is upper surface to bottom surface. Perpendicular distance between upper and lower surface is marked by H3 and the center to center distance is marked P, that is this is our pitch and this minor diameter is marked with D1 and major diameter marked with D. Now we have complete our thread profile. Okay.